Hey guys, I'm Anna, and today I'm going to show you how to fix keyboard not working in Diablo Immortal. So the first thing you need to do is to restart the game. Then unplug the keyboard, and then replug it back in if it's wired. And if it's wireless, then restart the wireless keyboard as well. Chances are a simple reboot might just do the trick. But if it doesn't, then make sure you're using a keyboard that is supported by the game. But in case if only WASD keys are not working, then you need to increase the resolution of your desktop to 2560 by 1440. Simply head over to Start menu and then search for Display Resolution. It'll take you to this settings window. Look for Display Resolution and increase it to 2560 by 1440. Hopefully this will fix the issue. And if it did, then make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.